Okay, in a cube, how many squares are there? Cube has 6 faces, so all the 6 faces are squares. So surface area of a cube will be, what is it? If the side of a square is A, the surface area of the cube is equal to what?
Area of a cube is 6.
Area of the cube, area of the square, area of one face into 6. Since one face is a square, that is equal to area of the square into 6. So you will get area of the square whose side is A square, right? So you will get 6A square. Get it? You got it, right? Then lateral surface area of a cube. When we consider the lateral surface area, how many faces we are considering? Lateral surface area, how many faces we are considering to calculate the lateral surface area? But then
4.
4, yeah. Except base and top, we will consider all the other 4 rectangles or square. Okay, all the other faces. So 4 into area of one face. Okay, that will be equal to 4 into area of a square, that is equal to 4A square, where A is the side of a square. Clear? Okay. Leave. No, you have to write. What you have to write? You have to write in a fresh page that surface area of a cube and put that in a box. And lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square. That you have to write in your notebook. Then example, find the surface area of the cube of side 10 centimeter. Example 1. Find the surface area of the cube of side centimeter. After that, example 2. Find the surface area and lateral surface area of a cube of side 8 centimeter. Find the surface area and lateral surface area of a cube of side 8 centimeter. You can easily find the surface area of a cube. Did you get the answer for the first question? Find the surface area of the cube of side 10 centimeter. Did anyone get answer? What's your answer?
60 square centimeter.
60. What is the, okay. Side is equal to? What is the side of the cube? Side of the cube is equal to? Say it. Don't waste time. It's there in the question and tell me without wasting
10
time.
centimeter.
10 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find? No other values in the question. What we have to find now?
Find the surface area.
We need to find the surface area. Surface area of the cube. Do you know the equation? What is it, Alan? Surface area of the cube. What is the equation? Unmute and say.
6 into A.
A? 6 into A?
6 into 10.
Equation is wrong. It is 6a square, right? നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയത്
sorry,
6a 6a ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് മാറ്റാ 6a square is the correct answer. A square is really important. A square means a into a. Clear? A into a. The equation is 6a square. The square is really important there. Okay. Then substitute 6 into a square. A square means 10 square, right? What is 10 square? 6 into 10 square is equal to 10 square means
20.
10 into 10. 10 square means 10 into 10. A square means A into A. 2 square means 2 into 2. 4 square means 4 into 4. Okay. Then what is 10 square?
100.
100. 10 into 10, 100. So 6 into 600. Sorry, 6 into 100. 600.
600.
600 square centimeter is the surface area of the cube of side 10 centimeter. Clear?
Yes.
That a square is really important. A square നിങ്ങൾ അതുപോലെ consider ചെയ്യുക. A square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് a plus a അല്ല, a into a. Multiplying a by a with a. Okay, a into a is a square. Okay, let's do the second question. It's the same way. What is given here in the question? What is given here? Read the question and say what the value given in the question.
Find the surface and let the surface area of cube of side 8 centimeter.
So when you start answering, what should be the first sentence?
Side of the cube.
Okay, side of the cube. What is the side of the cube here?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. What is the first thing we have to find? We need to find two things, right? Two
Yes.
values. First one is?
Surface area and lateral surface area.
Okay, let's start with the surface area. Surface area of the cube. Do you know the equation? What's the equation?
6a square.
6a
Square.
square. 6a square. 6a square. That is the surface area. Equation to find the surface area. Now, substitute. 6, no change. A square. Instead of a square, what should we do? What should we write?
8 square.
Yeah, 8 square. A square. Instead of a, since a is equal to 8, we should write 8 square. Clear? So 6 into
6
what?
into 64.
6 into 64.
$384.
Did everyone get 384? 384? 384. 384 is the correct answer. 384 square centimeter is the correct answer. That is the surface area of the cube. Then lateral surface area. That is the second thing that we have to find, right? Lateral surface area that we have to find, that we are going to find now. Do you know the equation to find the lateral surface area of a cube? Lateral surface area.
4a square.
Yeah, of the cube. Very good. That is 4a square. We are considering 4 faces. 4a square. Wait. 4a square. Okay. What is a here?
8 centimeter.
Yeah. 8 centimeter is a. So substitute, it will become, tell me.
64.
4 into, yeah, 8 square.
64.
Yeah, that is 4 into 64 will give you 24.
256.
Yep. 256 square centimeter.
Centimeter.
256 square centimeter. Joelle മോനെ മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലേ നിനക്ക്? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay? Okay, is that clear for everyone? Did you understand? Sean, Joel, Anne Maria, Faith, Alan, Sridev, Ijaz. It's clear, right? Only need to know the equation and do the substitution, then calculation. Okay, equation അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ substitute ചെയ്യുക, equation എഴുതുക, substitute ചെയ്യുക, calculate ചെയ്യുക. Finish. Next. I have a question for you. Consider a cuboid. Consider a cuboid. If we interchange, you have to visualize that. If we interchange the length, oh, what's wrong with my camera? If we interchange the length of the base and height of a cuboid to get another cuboid, well, its lateral surface area change. Initially, there was a cuboid. And what did we do? We interchanged the base and height of that cuboid. Okay. Interchange എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് initially ഒരു cuboid ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Suppose this is a cuboid. This is the base. Okay, sorry. This is the length of the base. Okay, this is the base, right? This is the base of the cuboid. Okay, if we change the length of the base and height, will the lateral surface of the cuboid change? Lateral surface. Now it is H, right? I'll give an example for that. You do one thing, write a question. Find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Whose length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. You have to write it to a notebook. Whose length is 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, and height 7 centimeter. Find the lateral surface area of the cuboid whose length is 5 centimeter. Question. Find the lateral surface area of a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, and height 7 centimeter. Length 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. You may find it. Not the surface area, lateral surface area. What was the equation to find the lateral surface area?
Two H into L plus.
Yeah, 2H into L plus B. That is correct. Do it now. And tell me the answer.
Means length, breadth, height.
Length?
Question.
Length is equal to, length is 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, height 7 centimeter.
മിസ് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Hmm? Yeah, tell me.
മിസ്
Hmm.
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
എനിക്കൊന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല മിസ് പറയുന്നത്.
Can't you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. What happened to your microphone then?
മിസ് ഇപ്പോൾ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Miss, answer 112 centimeter ആണോ?
112? Wait. Okay. Let me calculate. I didn't calculate it. Let's see. Meanwhile, you may write the second question. Find the lateral surface area of the cuboid of length. Length. What? Yep. Cuboid of length 7 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. Here, the length and height are interchanged in the second question. First question, length um height um interchange ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള question ആണ്. പുതിയൊരു cuboid ആക്കി. Okay. Okay, what was your answer for the first question?
112 centimeter square.
112 square centimeter, correct. What is the answer for the second question?
100.
100 square centimeter.
100 square centimeter.
Okay. So if we interchange the length of the base and height of a cuboid, and we will get another cuboid, right? First question, length 5 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. In the second question, I have interchanged that. Okay, I made length 7 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Okay, length to height interchange. Then we found the lateral surface area. Did we get the same value for the lateral surface area? No, we got the different value. Okay, so when the height and length of the base interchange, the lateral surface area will change. Clear? Is that clear? Length height interchange interchange length height height length only that change made. Okay. So let's move on to cylinders then. Is that okay? I mean, is there any doubt related to the portions taken so far? It's clear, right? Cuboid surface area, lateral surface area, cube surface area, lateral surface area. It's clear, right? Let's move on to the cylinders then. Cylinders, we have only 10 minutes time. This is a cylinder, Chalinge cylinder. Okay, it's a cylinder. Okay. We are going to find the lateral surface area and surface area of a cylinder. Let's start with the lateral surface area. Okay. See, it's a cylinder and it has a base and a top. It has a base and a top. What's the speciality? What's the shape of the base and top?
Circle.
Don't say it oval, it's circle. It's circle, right? The base and top of the cylinder is circle. And they are congruent. They are congruent. They have the same radius. So the center of the base and center of the top. Adu join cheyunna length. That is the height of this cylinder. Okay. Now, let's find the lateral surface area. For this cylinder, when we calculate the lateral surface area, we will not consider the base and top, right? We will not consider the base and top. Base top we consider lateral surface area case. Yep. So look at the lateral surface area of the cylinder. It's curved surface, right? It's a curved surface, right? Isn't it curved? Can you find the area of this curved surface? If you could find the area of this curved surface, you can find the lateral surface area of the cylinder. The curved surface in the area lateral surface area of the cylinder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the cylinder from here. I'm going to cut the cylinder. Okay. A straight line, a perpendicular line. This is the height, right? This is the height of the triangle, not cylinder. This is the height of the triangle. Oh, I am saying triangle is cylinder. Oh my God, I forgot to take the scissor. No problem. Okay. I'm cutting through a straight line. See, now what did I get? It's a
Flat.
huh? It's a what is the shape? What is the shape? Is it square?
Rectangle.
Yeah, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Okay. Now we know how to find the area of a rectangle, right? Is the length and breadth of the rectangle? No. Can you know? Do you know this length of this side? Do you know the length of this side? What was it initially? It was the
Height.
Height. So you know one side, this is the height. It's a smaller side, we can take it as the breadth. Okay. Breadth of this rectangle is the height of the cylinder, right? Breadth B is equal to H. Clear? Breadth of this cylinder, breadth of this rectangle is the height of the cylinder. That means B is equal to H. Now we have to find the length of the rectangle. We need to find the length of the rectangle. You know, when it was a cylinder, it was a circle, right? The base, it was a circle. And what is this length of the boundary, length of this circle? Idinte length ine nammal endha parayam? This length. What is it?
Circle.
Sir? Ah.
Circle.
Yeah, it's a circle. Okay, length of its boundary is known as?
Circle.
Yeah, it's a circle, but we are going to deep into that circle. Okay. And what is the length of this curve? It is known as the
Cylinder.
have you heard about circumference? Yeah, this is the circumference of the circle, right? Circumference means nammude rectangle inde perimeter alle. Adupole circle inde circumference ചുറ്റളവ്. Okay, circle നമ്മൾ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ഒരു ലൈൻ അല്ലേ, ആ ലൈനിന്റെ ലെങ്ത്, ആ curved ലൈനിന്റെ ലെങ്ത്, that is the circumference of the circle. So this is the circumference of the circle. If you know the radius of the circle, do you know the equation to find the circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. That is the equation to find the circumference of a circle. It actually നിങ്ങൾ 7th പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ NCERT അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 7th പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്ന് I don't know. Actually, I am taking this portion to 7th class now. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, pi is a constant. That is 22/7 ആണ് പൈയുടെ value. Pi എപ്പോഴും ഒരു value ഉള്ളൂ. Pi is equal to 22/7. It's a constant value. Okay, whatever change, the value of pi will never change. 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, അതെങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുന്നെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു സർക്കിളിന്റെ സർക്കംഫറൻസിനെ അതിന്റെ ഡയമീറ്റർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്ന വാല്യൂ ഏത് സർക്കിൾ ആണ്, whatever be the circle, whatever be the radius of the circle, if we divide the circumference of that circle with the diameter of that circle, we will get a value 3.14. 3.14. ഏത് സർക്കിൾ എടുത്ത് ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 3.14 എന്നുള്ള വാല്യൂ കിട്ടാം. Okay, it's a constant for all the circle. Okay, ആ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് വാല്യൂവിനെ നമ്മൾ പൈ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Not divide, denote here. So pi is equal to 3.14 or 22/7. Clear? So I'm going to make a rectangle out of this. So the length of the rectangle is actually the circumference of the circle, right? Length of the rectangle is the circumference of the circle. The breadth was the height of the cylinder and length is the circumference. Clear? Did you get that idea? Yeah. If you know the length and breadth, wait 2 minutes time. We made a rectangle out of that cylinder, right? To calculate the lateral surface area, we made a rectangle from that cylinder. The length of that rectangle was the height of the cylinder, right? Not length, breadth. Breadth was the height of the cylinder, right? We will say h of cylinder. Then length was circumference of the circle, right? Length is the circumference of the circle. And that is equal to 2. Oh, ini pi വരയ്ക്കണമെങ്കിൽ കഷ്ടപ്പാടാണല്ലോ. ശരി. Let me take this. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് പോയി കിട്ടി. So L equal to circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, right? 2, here I can insert it. This is pi, okay? Ee കാണുന്നതാണ് pi. Have you seen pi? How to write pi? ദാ ഈ വലുത് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you see this one? This is the pi. Or this is the pi. Here, it is the pi. Pi എഴുതുന്ന അങ്ങനെ 2 ലൈൻ ഇട്ടിട്ട് മേലൊരു വര. Pi. ഒരു കൊറിയൻ ലെറ്റർ പോലെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? That's pi. Okay. Hindi. And B is equal to breadth of the rectangle was the height of the cylinder,
Height.
right? Yes. So area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is the lateral surface of that cylinder. Clear? Okay. Area of the rectangle. Actually here, I'll show you. Only 1 minute we have. Let's continue in the next class. But it was the lateral surface of the cylinder, right? I cut it and made it into a rectangle. So the area of the rectangle will give you the lateral surface area of this cylinder. Clear?